I have learned a lot, and 3 minutes to or 3 to 5 minutes video presentation is not enough. I have learned that in the preparation of the plants, we have to make sure that we are using the right tools and equipment. This will make the work easier. Propagating plants will increase the number of plant species, and there is two methods. First is the sexual method or artificial. Cutting is where the leaves are removed and the stems are cut, and one half of the cutting is inserted into the soil. I prepared first the humus, then I remove a ring-like layer of soft bark, then I applied sphagnum moss around the cut surface, then I covered it with a piece of plastic sheet with the humus that I prepared, then I tied it up. In grafting, I prepared first the stalk, then the sign. I inserted the sign and secured the graft. Another way to propagate plant is through suckers. Suckers are undesired stem growing out of the roots or lower trunks of a shrub or a tree, just like in a pineapple. Budding is when you transfer the lateral bud taken from the shrub to the stalk of the same family tree, just like this guyabano tree. After inserting it, secure the bud, and that's it. Last but definitely not the least in the way of propagation under a sexual or artificial method is through runners. Runners are a long stolon sent out by a plant in order to root new plantlets, just like this gabi. The second method of propagation, plant propagation, is sexual method where it uses seeds to propagate plants. So I used okra seed. For my fertilizer, I use humus since there's a lot of decayed matters from plants and animals mixed with soil in our garbage. I will put it in the coconut shell first, then as it grows up, I will transfer it to a bigger area where it could grow healthier. Agriculture is the backbone of the economy. So imagine a person that has a weak backbone or no backbone at all. That would be our economy. EPP helped me to reinforce work and skill training and values that I need to develop. As a future teacher, this will help me provide an additional credential that will certify me my competence to effectively teach this field of specialization. I am really happy that I did this activity. So I have learned a lot, not just only in the book, but and the experience that I had during my video presentation, the way that I show you how to propagate trees. Experience is the best teacher. That's why, for me to learn, I have to experience what's in the module, and I have found out that there's a bigger room for my improvement. As a future teacher, I will learn everything about TLE so that for my future students, I can supply my learnings to them effectively and efficiently. This is Roxanne Mauri Agravante from BEd 3A, your future educator.